numbers, and we studied about the properties also. What all properties we have in the whole numbers? Commutative property, associative property, distributive property. These are all properties we see in the operations also. We see this type of operations. Okay. These operations will continue with the whole number also. In whole number also, we do these all properties. We do the properties. After knowing about the properties, we'll move on to the next one, that is sums. Exercise. Okay, we'll start with exercise today, children. We solved all the things, and I told you how to solve the numbers also. With the whole numbers, with the different operations. I told you that in the previous class only. Today we'll start with the exercise part. Okay, children, before we start the exercise part, our daily routine, we'll start with the prayer. All of you close your eyes, repeat after me. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurumai Deva Sarvakaleshu Sarvada. Okay, today exercise number 2.2. Exercise number 2.2. In that, first one, find the sum by suitable rearrangement. In the whole numbers, we have to apply the properties, children. What we have to do? We have to apply the properties and we do the arrangement in that. We do the arrangement in that and we solve the sums. Depending on the arrangement, we solve the sums. Okay. First one, they given an addition problems first. First make, find the sum. Sum means addition. Sum by suitable rearrangement. We have to do the arrangement here. How we want now, we have to do and we have to calculate. Okay, this is the normal addition only. We not do anything other here. We add the numbers only, but in the different arrangement way. Not in the regular way. We change some of the addition format and we do the addition. Okay, the first one. 837 plus 208 plus 363. Three numbers they given. Three numbers they given. We have to do the addition here. Okay, how we will do this one? How we will do this one? The first one, this is their three numbers. We have to make the group here. Not distributive, associative property. How we do the grouping now? Like that here also we'll apply that grouping property. So, I'm taking this one out now. 837 I will take out and we'll make these two groups. 208 plus 363. I'm making it a grouping here. What I'm taking out? 837 I'm taking out. I'm making these two groups. Okay. After that, the next step is 837 will be like this only. We'll add these two numbers. 208, 363 plus 208. Add these numbers. 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 carry 7, 5. What we got? 557. 571. Sorry. 571 we got. Now we have to add these two numbers. Okay. After grouping, we got number now. That and this one we have to add. We'll add it now. 837 plus 571. This you have to do in the rougher side. Okay. I'm repeating it again and again. You have to make a rougher side for whenever you are doing the calculations. Okay, add these two. 7 plus 1 will be how much, children? 8. Now, 3 plus 7 will be 10. 1 will be carry here. 8 plus 1 will be 9. 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. What we got? 14 we got. What is the answer we got, children? 1408. 1408. This is our answer. Okay. This is a symbol of your calculation. Okay. Don't think it other. This is a symbol of your calculation. What all calculations you are doing now, that is a symbol equals to what we write now. The symbol equals to that is this only. Okay. I am writing in the other way. Don't take that this is also something what we have to calculate. Okay, this is not anything calculation. This shows that what we are doing, that calculation, it shows equals to. Okay, we are calculating something, the way of showing the calculation. Okay, copy this in your classwork, children. First one. We'll move on to the second one now. Okay, I'm rubbing this. Second one. 1962 plus 453 plus, what is the next answer? 4 numbers are there here. 1538 plus 647. 4 numbers we have here. How many numbers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Now in the previous question we have 3 numbers. Okay. Here it is too easy to make a group. Here 4 numbers are there. I am making a 2 groups here. 2 here and 2 here. 1962 plus 453 plus, this is one more group, 38 plus 647. I am making a 2 groups here. This is one group, this will be another group. Okay. Now add these 2 numbers. In the rougher side, I am going to the rougher side now. I am taking help of rough. Adding these 2. 1962 plus 453. 3 plus 2, how much, children? 3 plus 2 will be 5. 6 plus 5 will be 11. 14. 2. 2, 4, 1, 5. What we got? This addition we got 2, 4, 1, 5. One more. This one we have to add now. 1538 plus 647. Add these two. 15, 8, 11, 2. 2185. What we got? 2185. Now, after getting these two answers sum, these two sum, we have to add now totally sum. Totally, what we got now, these two we have to add now, finally. Okay, we'll add it now. Greater number I am writing first. The smaller number I will write it next. 5 plus 5 will be 10. 1 will be carry here. 9, 10. Again 1 will be carry here. 5, 6. 1 will be not carry. 4, 6, double 0. 4, 6, double 0 we got. How we did, children? Here we are doing the 4 numbers are there. 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 4 number. 4 numbers are there. We have to make a group here. I am making these 2 groups. I am making these 2 groups. Okay. 1 group and 2 group. After making the group, we have to start adding. I am making these 2 groups. Okay. These 2 groups. After making a group, we have to add. Okay. These 2 numbers we have to add. What we get? 2, 4, 1, 5 we get. If we add these 2, we get 1, 2, 1, 8, 5. Now, after adding these two, what we get? Some values we get. 2 values we get. These 2 values we have to totally add. After adding, we get 1 value. What we got now? 4600 we got. We did what here? And associative property we applied for this problem. Okay. In addition sum, if they give a same sign for all, like here, first plus only we have, here also plus, and there also plus, and last one also plus. That time we have to apply associative. If they given a different sign, for example, if they applied multiplication there, then we have to take associative property. Okay, understood now? Copy this one. That part you have to do it in rougher side only. Don't copy that one in your this one correct area. That make a other one only. Next one, we'll move on to the second one. Second main. Second main. Second main, what is that? Second main. Find the product by suitable rearrangement. Rearrangement. Okay, the first one, here they given a multiplication, suitable rearrangement, but they are telling to find out the products. They are not telling to find out the addition here. The sum they are not telling. Here what they are telling? Here they are telling to find out the product. Product means multiply ಮಾಡೋದು. Okay. First problem. What is our first problem? What they given? 2 into 1768 into 50 they given. How many numbers they given, children? 3 numbers they given. Here also we have to make a group. Here also we have to make a group. What we have to make, children? We have to make a group. Okay, we'll continue with that only. Here they given 3 numbers. What they given? 3 numbers they given. We have to find out the product. Here also we have to apply associative property of multiplication. Associative property of multiplication. Here we have to apply. In that, what they given? 3 numbers they given. We have to multiply it. We have to what? Okay. Now, here they given 3 numbers. We have to find out the products now. What we have to do? We have to make here also group. Here, what they given number? 3 numbers. 2 into 1768 into 50 they given. I am making the 2 group here. What all grouping I will do? I am making the interchange of these 2 numbers. First number and the first number will be like that only. Second number and third number I will make the interchange. This one I will make a interchange. Okay. So after interchanging, what we get? 2 into 50 into 1768 we get. Yes. After getting, I am making these 2 groups. And this will be outside. These 2 groups. 2 15s are 50s are. 2 50s are how much, children? 100. So 100 into 1768 we have. 100 into 1768 we have. Multiply these 2. What we get? Rougher side. Do the rougher side by yourself only, children. You have to do the rougher side. Multiply 1768 into 100. What we get? 176,800. Okay. 1,76,800 we get. Okay. Here also we are doing same process. Same. Everything will be same only. But we are making the interchange of numbers. What we are making? We are making the interchange of numbers and making the grouping. Okay. Here what I did the interchange of 50 to that side, 1768 to this side. I did interchange. After doing interchange, I did group. In madide nana grouping madide. After doing grouping, we have to start calculation. We have to multiply the numbers. What we did the grouping na, that we have to multiply. After multiplying, what answer we get na, that we have to multiply with the remaining number, ungrouped number. Ungrouped number, with that we have to multiply. After multiply, we get what? The final product we get. What we get, children? The final product we get. Okay. This one will do our first answer. Please copy it, children. If you get any difficulty in copying, please tell me. We'll do it again, or else we'll send you the images. Okay. Copy this in your classwork. Next one. Next question. 3-digit numbers are there. Same like this only they given. That we'll solve it in the next class, children. Okay. Please do try to solve these type of problems in your homework book. We'll do the next part in the next class. See you. Bye.